Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we will learn how to apply blur effect. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First select your image, go to object selection tool, select subject, press Ctrl or Command J, disable this layer and select this layer. Select lasso tool, right click and select fill. Select container, check this on. Now Ctrl or Command D, enable this layer. Now select this layer and right click, convert to smart object, go to filter tab, come to blur and apply Gaussian blur. Radius 12. Hit OK. Number 1 is done. Now Command or Ctrl Z, select this layer, go to filter, blur gallery, apply tilt shift. Hit OK. You are done. Now number 3, Ctrl or Command Z, select the layer, come to filter, filter gallery, and path blur. You are done. Thanks for the watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you think this video is helpful. I'll see you in the next video.